Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Alex with Finite to Freedom. Today we've got two special guests, two of my dear friends, on Discord server. So you know the process because we don't have 500 subscribers. We can't actually go live on YouTube, but we figured out how to go live and present you this amazing news, right? So let's bring up the main screen. And here you go. Saab is on our left and Wingo is on our right. What's up, guys?
Good. How you doing, Alex?
Very good, mate. Very good. We've got some great news, mate. Warren Buffett just bought some shares, well, a lot of shares of United Health, which we are going to present right now. But how's your day so far?
Going good. Going good. Looked a bit shaky this morning with the markets, but everything's looking pretty good right now. I think we're just getting ready for these bull runs to take an effect. But it's good to be on your show, Alex, for the first time. And
Yes.
I think we got some growth coming. Let's do it. I think Wingo's here as well. Wingo, say hi, guys.
Doing, guys. First time again on the show, and I'm really grateful. Alex has given me the opportunity to be on this, mate. So yeah, really looking forward to what's to come, and I'm happy to be here today, mate.
Beautiful to have you guys here. Obviously, we have our meetings every single day. Really appreciate every support that you have provided to me, and it's actually really great. It's our first podcast, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So really big thank you, guys.
There's more to
And
come, yeah.
sorry, say that again, Wingo.
Hopefully, there's more to come, yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. You know it, mate. You know it. We are going to grow. We are going to make this community amazing. So, what we have is Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway reveals new stake in Billy. I can't pronounce it. This apologies, guys. Billigard, something like that. Insurer United Health. So, what is it about? How much did he buy, and why did he buy this specific company? Right. So the key points are Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway bought more than 5 million shares in United Health last quarter for a stake worth about 1.6 billion. I think this is fantastic, like 5 million shares. What do you guys think so far?
Um, we were looking, and Wingo and I were just talking earlier on, and we were talking about this and United Health and stuff, and we talked about Warren Buffett might be a secret buyer, and then we checked the stock, and lo and behold, there was a huge candle, and we're like, Warren Buffett must have bought it, so we were just having a laugh about that. And but yeah, it's a great buy. This company needed to be rescued because it's going down. It's going through a lot of turmoil and trouble, and they're in court, for immoral handling of business. And if anybody can save it, I think Warren Buffett can come in and save it. So it's looking very bullish to me right now.
100% I agree, Sab. Obviously, we are just diving for the first time into this. I just want people to know that it's unedited the video. We are just making it right now. We are just looking at it. So you can see now from the inside how we are searching about companies and what we can find and then discuss it with each other. So let's move forward. The second key point is Berkshire also added stakes in DR Horton, Lennar, and Nucor, while trimming its Apple and Bank of America positions. Right. My question here, guys, Sab or and Wingo, is why they decided to trim Apple and Bank of America positions. Is it because they think that it reached already into the high price that it can go, or because they found an opportunity to buy the United Health? What do you guys think?
Go Wingo.
Indeed. Personally, I think it's just a great opportunity for Warren Buffett actually, because as you and I know, United Health has pretty much been taking a massive amount of beating recently, and from a stock that's originally $600 down to the position where they are right now, Without knowing the details, I do believe that there must have been a massive amount of investigations and research done on this before he made that call. So, but definitely in terms of United Health, it has its reputation. It's been around for a good few years, and it's a great opportunity. And they obviously know something that we don't know, mate. So that's why I think he pulled it out, basically.
Lovely, love your answer, mate. So
just to add to that, Lil, Wingo hit it on the head there. And just looking at that broader news there, we've got a lot. Apple's hitting highs today. If you saw the Apple stock, it was just going up, and I think they have plenty of shares in Apple. I don't think they can see that it's going to go up as much as what United Health can go up right now. So it makes sense to put some money, even though they got 350 billion sitting on the sidelines. They didn't even really need the money to do that. But I think they're just trimming their position, like a lot of big firms do, just making sure that they have their spread and they're diversified.
Lovely. I 100% I agree with you guys. Obviously, we have talked on previous videos that we are always looking for more opportunities and better opportunities in the market, and that's why people are trimming. They're selling a few shares to buy to get their profits, and then either buy lower or find another opportunity in the stock market and buy a new company. And from what we can see, like Warren Buffett just did it, and he's one of the best investors out there. Obviously, I don't want to compare Warren Buffett with anyone, like different times, different personality, different strategy, different plan. I believe you guys will agree on this, right?
Absolutely.
So we provided the technical analysis on the previous video, and if you guys haven't watched it, on the end of this video, you're gonna see it. Let me know. See here, Saab and Wingo, like I'm still trying to figure out the signals with my hands where the positions are. So I believe here you will see the last video, and in here you will see the playlist. And over here on the top you can see my logo with, if you scroll a little bit your mouse, you can subscribe to the channel. So now let's move forward to the third key point. And then we're going to provide a bit of a news about the company inside and what is it about. So United Health shares jumped in after hours trading after Buffett's latest quarterly filing was revealed. Obviously, Warren Buffett bought at a really great price from what we can see here. In the lowest, it was $270.75. Right now we are trading at 304.52.60, and it keeps changing dollars. It's already up 24.53%, and I think this is great. Did we have any earnings report or anything like that? Let me
United Health was in June, I believe.
Yes, so from what I can see, it was a little bit as a miss. And now we are expecting 14th of October at the pre-market. So that's going to be 9 a.m. in the morning UK time until 2:30 p.m. And then we have the opening of the market. Now, how many hours difference we have? I believe 8?
8 hours, yeah.
8 hours.
Behind Alex, yeah.
Yes.
California, baby.
California. Shout out to California. There we go.
Yes.
So that will be in USA time. Is going to be 1 a.m. in the morning until I believe it's going to be until half six in the morning that the market opens.
Yeah, 6:30. Yeah.
Perfect.
California, yeah.
Perfect. But I think I need a clock, mate, with the timings.
You need a California time clock on your wall, Alex.
Yes, possibly over here. Right, so let's go a little bit further on the news and what's going on. So as we know, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway revealed a new stake in troubled insurer United Health last quarter, as we mentioned before, according to a regulatory filing, and a surprising buy because of the company's current reputation. So perhaps not considering his history of bargain investing. So, okay,
Sure.
I've heard something about Omaha, but I'm not so sure. So I'm just gonna read a little bit further. So the Omaha-based conglomerate bought more than 5 million shares in the healthcare firm for a stake worth about 1.6 billion at the end of June. And I think this is a great opportunity, to be honest, and especially 5 million shares. I think they are already on huge profits, right?
Yeah, I think he could have bought a lot more. Honestly, if he's got 325 billion on the sidelines, he could have bought 25 billion, and it wouldn't have rocked the boat for his cash reserve. But obviously, Warren Buffett, is calculated, and he knows what he's doing. So who are we to tell Warren Buffett what he should do? He makes big moves, and he's got a strategy. And as you guys, a lot of you guys probably already know, the Buffett style is buying undervalued, high quality companies during tough times. And United Health was having a really, really tough time. It almost was down 50% to what its price was. The price to earning ratios was like 11.3 or something. And it pays a dividend of 3.4. Alex, is that right?
I
3.4.
think so, 3.4, 3.3. Let me
Probably
search.
it's somewhere around there.
Yeah,
Uh,
Robinhood reports it at 3.13%, so, but yeah.
yeah. So he's doing what he does. He buys undervalued stocks. They are going to have some challenges because obviously there's regulatory scrutiny. They've got like medical cost pressures, and they have a recent CEO change. So management expects to grow in 2026. The premium prices catch up, and offers of about 3.25% dividend yield might be in the book. So there's a lot of stuff happening with this company. But I was looking at the stock a few days ago, and I thought, I'm probably going to wait 6 months to see what happens with the regulatory clarity. But unless there's a surprise, and lo and behold, Warren Buffett and comes in as he does and shows us a surprise. So we're here.
Yeah, we are obviously going to jump on the technical analysis in a few minutes, just so we can see a little bit of what's going on with the candles and stuff. The only thing that I want to just add in here is that Berkshire's equity portfolio is worth about $300 billion, which is absolutely massive as a portfolio, right? It's great. So it's possible that Buffett's to invest in lieutenants, the two basically investing lieutenants, Todd Combs and Ted Weschler, were more responsible for this purchase rather than the Oracle of Omaha himself. So I think it has the potentials to go further up. We still are not on the all-time high from what we've seen Saab and Wingo. The all-time high, I think it was $599, and we're currently at $304.80. We can see a little bit of a sell-off tomorrow, as I believe people are going to withdraw some shares to take the profits. But I think overall is going to do great, right? Like obviously they have the support from Buffett, which means a lot to the investing world.
Yeah, Wingo.
Wingo, you want to add anything, mate?
Nah, you guys got everyone. You got the right stock, and now on the head, mate.
Yeah, Warren Buffett being in the game, I don't think the stock's going to go all the way to the top. You're going to get all-time highs straight away. They still have challenges.
Yeah.
And this company, Alex, Alice stuff always say, this company is it's a resilient giant. It's like some people say it's too big to fail.
Yeah.
And there are going to be challenges, but if people like Buffett get behind this, you're going to get a lot of other institutions getting behind it as well. It will go back up to crazy prices. Not all in a day, guys. So don't be pumping all your money into it all at once just for a quick short-term gains. But yeah, it's going to go up. But just make sure you got risk management and wait for the fundamentals, because there is a regulatory scrutiny that's behind the stock. So it'll take a while, but you got a good back.
Absolutely.
Also, I want to add that, United Health has always been one of these stocks that a lot of people have kept an eye on. And basically, due to its large sell-off, it's always been on people's mind whether it should go in now or whether it's a dead stock.
Yep.
And it's always been hovering around, but this is pretty much, well, giving a little heads up or a leg up for United Health. And hopefully, based on this new purchase, it puts United Health in a position where they originally were, basically. So, we'll see what happens with this. And obviously, as Saab said, this is potentially going to be a slow burn anyway, so, don't expect any hopes overnight.
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously, everyone has to do their research. We explained it on previous video that the more research you have done and the more information you have, the less the risk. And this is basically meaning that if you speculate on something, then you've got a really high risk of losing the money and not actually have any profit. So yeah, absolutely, guys, this is our opinions. These are from our experiences, and we don't give financial advice or anything at all. We're only here to provide insight, a bit of information, and then it's up to you what you will decide if you think it's a great stock or not. But yeah, as the guy said, please be mindful. Don't rush into conclusions easily and buy something that you haven't done a research about it. Obviously, we provide the technical charts, but the technical charts only cover 15%, which is not a lot at all, right?
Yeah, I mean, Alex, can I add something real quick?
Yeah, absolutely.
So, Warren Buffett, like, we all know that he's been into like huge insurance companies in the past, and he's still in insurance companies. Things like Geico and stuff like that.
Yeah.
UNH is the largest U.S. health insurer with 236.9 billion market cap. So Warren Buffett knows how to run insurance. It's going to be a big plus having a guy who knows insurance running this company, because they have lots of things to fix, and if anyone can fix it, Buffett's team can do it.
Absolutely, 100% agree. He's got the experience, right?
Yeah.
And I think Saab, you as well know a bit of how the insurances work and stuff, right?
Yeah, I know a little bit about life insurance and things like that. Not as much as I should know now, but yeah, a few years back, I was in the game as well. So things change, regulatory things change all the time. So, but I'm sure that we can have a look at some stuff in the future.
Absolutely. So, guys, if you want to pop up a comment down below the comment sector and let us know if you're interested about doing video, talking about insurances or anything you guys want to know, let us know and we will start creating a video about it after absolutely we're doing the research, right? We're never going to come back here on a video speculating or assuming or anything. We're just going to find as many information as we can and provide them. So there we go. We've got a question for our people out there. So I just want to jump a little bit on the technical analysis, guys. Just from a quick one that I just did, obviously we've got more resistance levels than the support. Like the support level is at $237.55, which is the lowest that it ever reached. And right now we are trading on, we closed, of course, let me rephrase that. We closed at $271.49, and right now we had a resistance on $278.44. Right now we can see that in aftermarket we broke above the resistance level, which is a great signal. But at the same time, not the signals at pre-market or aftermarket can count. So we are going to open above somewhere here. So we haven't filled in this gap. So at some point, I believe we could possibly, there's two possible case scenarios, that either we are going to test the $342.50 at some point, and then we might go back and fill in the gap, and then we can bounce back up. If we though break above the $342.50, then nothing is stopping us to anticipate the $379.28 and fill in this gap here, which is quite big. But yeah, we got lots of resistances there, guys.
Yeah, it's looking it's opening up. Alex, that's your cup of tea right there, mate. So we'll leave you with the chart stuff.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you, Sam. Now, if we find more information about healthcare, we're going to provide them on another video as well. Right now, the only thing that we can do is this is a great website. If you guys want it, I will drop it on the description down below, and you can guys start having a search. And I'll show you right now how to do the search in here. So it has the chart. You can choose between 1 day, 5 days, a month, 6 months, year to date, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, and maximum. So I always go to 1 year, 6 months, and then monthly and 1 day. And you can do actually the weekly as well, but it depends what you guys want. If you're investing, you might want to look on the 1 year and the month. And yes, the weekly, yeah, absolutely, that's okay. And if you are a trader, obviously, if you guys don't know it, or we might have some traders that they're watching, we always go to 1 minute for scalp trading and 5 minutes and 15 minutes. And then if you are a day trader, you might want to do the 1 day and the 30 minutes and the 15 minutes as well. So I'm going to show you a little bit, guys, for the 1 year. 1 year it shows as we're minus 53.16% down. The highest it was, this is the one I missed, guys, apologies. So the two highest resistances are at $593 and $631.61. And the highest was back in last year, 11th of November. We still have a long way to go, absolutely, but let's do it step by step, and we are going to provide, if you want, the technical analysis. We can add it, and we can provide daily what is happening, and step by step, what I mean is, let's break above the first resistance, and then we see what we're facing. Let's not run before we start walking, right? So, you guys want to add anything?
No, it looks good. I just want to mention Berkshire Hathaway. Anybody who owns Berkshire Hathaway, look at your stocks going up, so that's good.
Berkshire Hathaway, let me find it. Saab, it belongs to finance, right? Yes. Yes, it's currently 0.21% up. This is great. At $480.22. This is great. This is great. You have invested on Berkshire, right?
Yes, sir. So that's why I'm not invested in this United Health yet, but I have exposure with Berkshire Health, so I'm good right now.
Beautiful, beautiful. Just to end up about the United Health, guys. So, yes, absolutely, it's down overall. But if it is a great company, and I'm talking about generally, if it is a great company and you buy as low as possible, then you can just monitor the market and enjoy the profits. And let's see a little bit of the inside. So United Health Group engages in the provision of healthcare coverage, software, and data consultancy services. It operates through the following segments: United Healthcare, Optum Health, Optum Insight, and Optum RX. The United Healthcare segment utilizes Optum's capabilities to help coordinate patient care, improve affordability of medical care, analyze cost trends, manage pharmacy benefits, and work with care providers more effectively and create a simpler consumer experience. Now, I want to just question these guys. Obviously, we had the CPI report. Do you guys think that by saying a simpler consumer experience, do you guys think that it got affected by the CPI report and that could drove up the market as well? Or is it only because of Warren Buffett? What do you guys think?
No, CPI, it was a bit up and down today. So I think this is Warren Buffett. It's a Warren Buffett play.
It's a Warren Buffett.
People get Warren Buffett with this.
That's what it feels like. It feels like it's a Warren Buffett play, really. I mean, like just looking at this briefly, in terms of what Warren Buffett sold, apparently he sold 20 million shares of Apple just to get this. So that is a large amount of money, apparently, according to what the sources are saying.
Yeah.
So
absolutely.
he did sell off a big position.
Yeah. Absolutely. Well done to Warren Buffett, of course. Just so we can read a little bit further, the headquarters is Eden Prairie, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, in Minnesota. We can do a little bit of shout out to Minnesota as well. And it was founded in 1977 and currently has 400,000 employees. The CEO is Stephen J. Hemsley, and when you guys do a research, absolutely you need to look at this specific information: which is the CEO, what is going on with the management team, how many employees, and the market cap is currently $246 billion. That's actually quite a lot, right? And I mean, I wish I had this money, So the price earnings ratio is 11.77, and I don't think the PE ratio is bad, right? And the dividend yield is 3.13%, and we've got the average volume is 18.88 million people. And I think this is great. We still haven't hit the 52-week high, which is at $630.73, which is the all-time high. But I believe if we go to next year, I think it has the potential. And now I'm assuming. Let me rephrase. This is an assumption right now, right? I don't normally do it, but I think next year, if everything goes well with the trade deals, tariffs, and everything, I think we are going into a great year next year. So we could possibly try to retest the all-time high, but don't take anything for sure, because this again is an assumption. So there we go. This is the news about healthcare. The United Health actually. Otherwise, it's called UNH. Guys, I think we covered most of the information here.
Yeah. UNH, is actually Berkshire's 18th largest holding now. So, it's part of a broader pivot to defense sector. So, it's got new stakes, like things like Nucor and Lennar as well. But it reflects above its use of Berkshire's money that he had to buy undervalued resilient companies, and could influence portfolio managers to reassess healthcare as a defensive play. So watch out, folks. Is it on its way back?
Lovely. Wingo, do you want to add anything, mate?
That's all, guys. I think I think everyone's pretty much covered what we need to cover for now. Well, in terms of the information we have to hand at least, but I'm pretty sure if there's anything new coming out, I literally will update the guys on it.
Absolutely. You guys have informed me as well with many information, and I have to give credits to both of you that I've learned about United Health because I got you talking about it, right? And credits to you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Much appreciated, guys. So we're going to end this stream, but before we do that, let's invite everyone to hit the subscription button down below and hit the bell notification to turn on your notifications and be informed with the next videos. We've got many videos coming today. We've got the XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin technical charts, and we've got another 9 stocks to cover. It's going to be a massive night today, but yeah, what we can do, right? We can only do our best and put the effort over there. So there we go. And if you guys like the video and this is our first podcast, let us know how we've done it. And really big thank you to you guys, Saab, Wingo, for the first time making it happen, actually, because without you guys, we wouldn't have a podcast, right?
Yeah, sir.
So much appreciated, guys. So we are going to end this live call, and stay tuned. We haven't finished yet. We're coming with another one, which is going to be a surprise. I'm not telling you what is it about, but if you guys want to be just tuned, stay where you are. That's it, guys. Have a great night from me. Have a great night from the guys. This is where you guys say goodnight or something.
Okay. Sorry, guys. It's our first one, so forgive us. We're a little bit choppy. But good night, folks. And, if you guys like some investing advice and just a bunch of guys just chatting about investing, make sure you guys like and subscribe to this channel. And make sure you guys get on here and tell your friends. Have a good one.
Perfect.
Also, guys, if you want us to come back again, or you think we've done a good job or a bad job, comment down below, mate, so we can improve.
There we go. That's another request for the guys who's watching right now. Stay tuned, guys. So thank you very much for this podcast. We are going to jump on another one podcast. This is the only clue that I'm giving out there. So have a good night and hope to see you on the next video. Podcast. Rephrase. Thank you very much. Take care. Good night.